Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I am going to start circulatory system in human. So let's start your lesson. Have you ever wondered how the food digested in your alimentary canal reaches each cell of your body? How the oxygen inhaled through your nose reaches every cell in the body for the process of respiration? Or how waste material from different parts of the body reaches the kidneys for excretion? These are the question. So normally humans have a well developed system whose function is to transport nutrients, gases and chemical substances within the body. So human beings, well developed system, matlab those organisms possess well developed system. They have special transport system by which nutrients, gases and chemical substances just transported from each cell within the body. It is known as the circulatory system. So this system is also known as circulatory system. So what is circulatory system? Circulatory system is a system by which different types of nutrients, gases and chemical substances transported from each cell inside the body. In this chapter, you will learn about the main parts of the circulatory system in humans. Circulatory system in humans. The circulatory system in humans consists of blood, blood vessels and heart. First, this line is very important. Circulatory system in humans consists of blood, blood vessels and heart. तीन चीज लेके नॉर्मली सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम फॉर्म होता है. फर्स्ट ब्लड, ब्लड वेसल्स एंड हार्ट. ब्लड एंड इट्स कंपोनेंट. ब्लड इज अ फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. ब्लड इज अ फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. फॉर व्हाट? बिकॉज हर सेल को कनेक्ट करता है, इसीलिए ब्लड इज अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. As because it is a liquid, that's why it is also known as fluid connective tissue. The human body on an average has 4 to 6 liters of blood. इसके नीचे भी दाग लगाना. Human body possesses 4 to 6 liters of blood. Blood is composed of plasma and blood corpuscles or blood cells. The liquidary part of blood, that is plasma, and the blood cells are also known as blood corpuscles or blood cells. Plasma. The liquid part of the blood is called plasma. It is pale yellow in color. इसका color के नीचे दाग लगाना. Color is very important. Plasma is pale yellow in color. मतलब फीका पीला कलर का होता है. Plasma contains digested nutrients, waste products and other chemicals. So plasma कैसे बनता है? Plasma contains digested nutrients, waste products and other chemicals. The total volume of plasma in a normal average adult is about 2.5 to 3.0 liters. It constitutes 55 to 60% of the blood. Plasma consists of water 90 to 90%, proteins 7 to 8% and inorganic salts 1% and the traces of other substances. So this portion is very important. I mean the composition of plasma. The total volume of plasma in normal average adult is 2.5 to 3.0 liters. मतलब 2.5 से 3 लीटर होता है प्लाज्मा का क्वांटिटी. And it constituent 55 to 60% of the blood. Blood का जो नॉर्मली मात्रा होता है उसके अंदर 55 to 60% ही होता है प्लाज्मा. Plasma consists of water, proteins, inorganic salts and other substances, and percentage is very important, so you should learn carefully. Next, blood corpuscles. There are 3 types of blood cells, also known as corpuscles. They constitute 40 to 45% of total blood. These are red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and blood platelets or thrombocytes. So pronunciation should be correct. Red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and the blood platelets or thrombocytes. Next, red blood cells or erythrocytes. RBCs are biconcave, disc-shaped cell as if pressed from the sides. मतलब आरबीसी का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? बाइकॉनकेव, मतलब लगेगा जैसा, मतलब शुगर क्यूब जैसा होता है, वैसे ही स्ट्रक्चर होता है बाइकॉनकेव एंड अ डिस्क शेप्ड, थोड़ा सा फ्लैटेंड होता है, एज इफ प्रेस्ड फ्रॉम द साइड्स. Unlike other cells, a mature RBC does not have any nucleus. बोल्ड लाइन में जो लिखा है, दिस लाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि मैच्योर्ड ह्यूमन आरबीसी में कोई न्यूक्लियस नहीं रहता है. तो प्लीज जस्ट माइंड इट. अनलाइक अदर सेल्स, मतलब अदर सेल की तरह मैच्योर आरबीसी में कोई न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता है. दिस प्रोवाइड्स मोर स्पेस फॉर द हीमोग्लोबिन. नहीं, क्यों नहीं होता है? बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड्स मोर स्पेस फॉर हीमोग्लोबिन. while the bioconcave shapes increase surface area for more transportation of oxygen. So basically the shape of RBC, it provides the more surface area by which the transportation of oxygen is taking place easily. RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. RBC कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होता है? Inside the bone marrow. Their average lifespan is about 120 days. These दो लाइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नॉर्मली कहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन है और लाइफ स्पैन कितना है. आरबीसी आर प्रोड्यूस इनसाइड द बोन मैरो एंड लाइफ स्पैन इज 120 डेज. बहुत अच्छे से याद रखना. दीज आर द मोस्ट एबंडेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ब्लड. एबंडेंट मतलब बहुत ज्यादा, इनफ, सफिशिएंट, मतलब ब्लड का जितना भी कंपोनेंट है उसके अंदर आरबीसी सबसे ज्यादा होता है. Like 5 to 6 million RBC in each millimeter of blood, which gets its color from them. Basically, the presence of hemoglobin, RBC, red in color. These are red in color because of the presence of red-colored iron-containing proteins called hemoglobin. The hemoglobin carries oxygen in the pure blood from the lungs to every cell in the body. So student, hope all of you understood what I discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.